So I'm very dismayed by the Terry 10. I gotta talk to Jared because, I mean, we all living on a budget, right? But this thing's smoking like a freight train. After taking it apart and seeing that I smashed the head gasket, I'm like, oh, well, I gotta be seeping it. Nope. Mater's got her plethora of new tools and parts and upgrades that we're gonna do to her. Blue. Grade 8. Yeah, grade 8. So 150,000 pounds per inch pressure. Putting 6 of those ladies on. Looks like it's rotating straight. That. Ain't that something? Yeah, I like you that. Alright, let's do the other side. So, my game plan is I got that shield off that header. So I'll turn the header, move it over here. I got this big car exhaust pipe. Plan is to take this piece that's from something, I don't know what, and I just took a washer, put it over it. So I figure I'll do something like that, and I'll weld it, and I'll put it somewhere here. Hell, let's see what it sounds like right now. Changed a little. So I'm going to try to get this pipe a little straighter out of there where it's more here. Okay, let's see what this looks like under here for Mater. I don't see it having any issues with fender. I tell you what, I think I'm pretty damn happy with it. CJ Todd is texting me through the old Facebook 90 110 stuff. I've been getting on him about his Nicholson frame here. I evidently busted the case on it. I was showing him pictures of the extensions that I put on Mater today. And yeah. So CJ, get that freaking Nicholson done, man. Shit. All free. Well, other than that one washer, I did buy that washer. Everything else I had hoarded about. Man, I'm excited to hear that thing tomorrow. I'm gonna get this Dr. ATV cam in here now. Love it. And it's removable. Custom built exhaust for Mater. Not a dime in it, other than a washer. I had to buy a big washer. It's got a stock arrestor in it. Sorry. And it's removable. Can't wait to run it tomorrow.